Shout to all my boss boys, we rowdy. Shout to all my boss boys. Shout to all my boss boys, we rowdy. Shout to all my boss boys. Shout to all my boss boys.
আমার উপরে লাগে খালি এই লিফট Hello guys, how to change your controls on Gangster Vegas. I will show you how to change your controls on motorbike or in this Gangster Vegas. So I'm going to show you how to change the controls. Now let's start.
All right, for all the rockers out there who want a mama, this is Wanna Mama by Pop
You
Levi.
have to bring handlebar. See it. I'm gonna show you. Go to the settings controls. Motion will be off. It will be now. Let's turn on. So here it will be arrows. Now let's change like this. So let's go to the Gangster Vegas. And I'm gonna show you how to find the fire. I'm gonna show you in the map. You can hit scan. Now let's check in the map. Where is the direction? We have to go in here. So we can find. I'm following the map. Yes. Yes, yes. Really, let's go. We have to go. They have been married. I think so. It's blue. I need blue. Where have been he go? Just shoot.